Alam namin na matagal kang nakaano kay Dink. Ito maraming katanungan. Ano ang pinag-iba sa physical feature? Pinag-iba ng between 5K at saka Golden Boy.
Ang Golden Boy actually yung Seven Brothers na inumpisahan ni Dink na tinawag na Golden Boy is actually kanyan hindi masyadong, they have, both of them have the possum blood.
Possum blood.
Yes, na possum blood. Kasi as far as I know na inumpisahan ni Dink na Swatters, the hen is from Carol Smith, from Bruce Barnett na ayaw i-breed ni Carol, binigay kay Dink. I think 5 or 6 pullets. And then the cat side, yung lalaki is from his good friend Freddy Hunter.
Freddy Hunter.
Yeah. So yung lahat halos ng sweaters na umiikot naman sa farm ni Dink is they got the possum blood.
Combination of Carol Smith and Freddy Hunter. Yun, may possum.
May possum.
Dahil Carol Smith,
may possum, or kung hindi possum, they got sweaters from these guys. No?
Saan ba ang nauna? Ang 5K or yung Golden Boy?
Well, bago sumikat yung Golden Boy, yung 5K is sumikat, pinasikat na ni Carol yan. Actually, it's ang kwento sa akin ni Bruce, the 5K, $5,000 rooster is a 2-time winner sa brass pit, sa brass yung sa ating tapada. Tapos dinala ni Carol sa big event, nanalo, may nag-offer na $5,000, and then pinahiram ang broodcock kay Johnny Janko, parang ganun, no? And then napunta kay Dink.
So yung 5K na pangalan pala, nag-umpisa yan kay Carol.
Kay Carol, somebody offered $5,000 doon sa manok na nanalo. And ang sabi ni Bruce, he is a blend of sweater and a yellow-legged Stewart, I think.
Stewart?
Sabi niya, hindi. May dugong yellow-legged hats. So, yun ang brinid nila. Binalik muna kay Bruce ang manok, and then pinadala kay Johnny Jumper. Parang ganun.
Parang ganun ang sa 5K. Kasi ang sabi ng ibang version naman, yung Golden Boy daw is galing sa 5K. Totoo kaya yun?
No. I don't think nagaling sa 5K ang Golden Boy. Kasi there were 7 brothers na puro almost identical ang itsura. Yung dalawa, ang tatlo dinala namin ni Dink sa Mid-America. Yung dalawa nanalo. Yung isa may nag-offer na $2,000. Sabi nga ni Dink, somebody offered $2,000. I turned down $2,000 for that roosters. Kasi merong isang bata from Kentucky na gustong bilhin yung isang Golden Boy na nanalo against Dan Gray. 1 fly lang. Nanalo yung manok.
Pero hindi pa Golden Boy tawag doon.
Well, it started dito nga sa kwan na to. Sabi ni Dink, sabi ng bata, gusto niyang bilhin. Sabi, dinala ko siya kay Dink. Sabi ko, Dink, he wants to buy the rooster that won yesterday. Sabi ni Dink, I just turned down. Sabi niya, I just turned down to that $2,000 for that Golden Boy.
So parang ano lang yan, katawagan ng laga.
Yes, tinawag niya yun ng Golden Boy since then. Sabi niya, I just turned down $2,000. But the funny thing is, may tinurn down niyan $2,000, but he sold the rooster for 1,700.
Doon sa bata.
Oo, doon sa bata. Sabi ko kay Dink, sabi ko, you're crazy, sabi ko. You turned down $2,000 and then you sold it for 1,700. Sabi niya, it's okay. If that rooster fall into the wrong hand, it might cost your money fight someday. So, matagal ko rin inisip yun. Kasi, yung nag-offer ng 2,000 is a big breeder, one of the big breeders sa US. Malaking, I'm not gonna mention the name. Pero yun ang nag-offer ng $2,000. Kaya hindi binenta ni Dink yung manok doon sa nag-offer ng 2,000. Sabi niya, paglalaroan lang ng bata yan. Sabi niya, I cannot do anything about that rooster. He's just gonna play with it. Kaya binenta niya dun sa bata ng $1,700. And then that's how it started. Yung
pagtawag ng Golden Boy.
Niya.
So you were there pala nung first time na tawagin niya ng Golden Boy yun.
Oo. Ako ang nag-handle nung manok noon. Ako ang nag-handle, akong tumari. Nakakalaban namin si Dan Gray.
Si Dan Gray. Tapos natalo ka Dan Gray.
One fly lang yung manok ni Dan Gray. Hindi na nakapalo.